That's right. It's another Fabfitfun box. So if you want to see what's in here, and it's a surprise, it's a mystery box, so I don't even know, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Fabfitfun in their shop does have some boxes that they put together that is a mystery, but it is just full of the current season's curation. So I picked one up on a lark. I was like, I don't even know. And then I was kicking myself for getting this one, because this one I think said it had a retail value of $197, and then I think the next one had an even higher retail value. So I was like, oh, maybe I should have gotten that one. But I'd already gotten this one, and I really did get most of the things either added on or in specialty boxes. All right, so let's get into this. I forgot where I left off. I got a phone call, and I had to take it, so I don't know where I left off, but we're going to get into this. All right, so here is your little sneak peek. We have by Alley Oop the 11th Hour eyeshadow cream stick in, I think it's like a pearl color. I did not add this on just because I didn't feel like it was a product that I really needed, but there it is. And I'm not going to swatch it because I don't know that I'm going to keep it. There's nothing wrong with it. I just have so many of these kind of stick cream eyeshadows that I'm like, I don't really need another one. But it is very nice. Some sunglasses. So I did get both of these. These are the Dynamite ones. These are my favorite of the two. All right, so there is how they look. And this is going to be key for some birthdays coming up. By Avant is the Hyaluronic Centella Aslatica Extract Meltdown Seed Intensive Restoring and Detoxifying. It's a moisturizer. This is $99, this right here. It's a great brand, but so expensive. So this was something I debated, and I was like, you know what? I'm not going to get any. I'm not going to add like a bunch more makeup. I already had a few things, but I'm excited. This is the Blink Lash Extension Tubing Mascara. I love tubing mascara, so that's why I was excited to see this in this box. Right, there we go. And then by Ririku is the resin coaster set of 4. Now I need another coaster, like I need another eyeshadow palette. These are super cute though. So here is how they look. And they are quite thick. I mean, they are very nice coasters. I will see if my mom would like these. And then the last one is, it's another like really high price for what it is. I don't understand, but whatever. But I am super excited to get the second one because I definitely know somebody who would love it. And this is the Fun Boy Poolside Leisure Club Towel. And it's got these cute pink stripes. And I have a niece who is crazy about pink. So I'm going to give that to her, though, before her birthday, because her birthday, well, her birthday's next month. So I can probably slip that in with her birthday present. Yeah, that would actually work. All right. So what do you think of this mystery box? I think it was pretty good, actually. I'm pretty pleased with it. A couple of duplicate things, but great gifts and giveaway items. So I'm not mad about that. But let me know your thoughts, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.